Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add your payment card to Vinted in 2025. To do it, click on Profile in bottom right corner. Now in Profile, go to Settings, then go to Payments. Then you can see I already have a card, but if you don't have any, you can also do it the very same way. Just click on Add Card, then enter your card number. I'll do it shortly. Then click on Save Card. Now it's added, and of course you can also delete it. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.